Hi, Chef Joe Crockett with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making tuna and noodles with steamed peas. So we've got our boiling water on for our noodles. Our noodles are ready to go. We're going to drop those in just a minute. But first, over about medium-high heat, start with just a little bit of garlic. And we've got our chicken stock. Milk. Season this. Some salt. Also going to salt our pasta water. A little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. I'm going to bring this to a simmer and then add in our Parmesan cheese. Let it melt. And if necessary, we're going to blend it until it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to add in our cooked tuna. So while that's going, we're going to add in our noodles. Let those cook. Let that come to a simmer, and then we'll add our cheese. Our parsley and our diced pepper are for our garnish. Alright, so our milk and chicken stock has now come to a simmer, so we're going to add in our cheese and let it melt. Whisk that together. I'm going to pull my noodles off, drain them. Don't think we're going to have to blend this mixture. So we can turn the heat down. Add in our tuna. Go in with my noodles. Take a little bit of our parsley. A little bit of our bell pepper. I'm going to heat this now long enough just to make sure our tuna becomes warm. And we can plate this up and serve. Now if you wanted this sauce to take on a thicker consistency, you could add just a little bit more cheese if you wanted to, or you can make a slurry out of cornstarch and water, put that in, put some heat to it before you add in your noodles or your tuna, and it'll thicken up a little bit more. Just depends on personal preference. Alright, and at the very last minute we can add our peas. Add a little bit more heat to this and pull it off. We'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.